the winds got me caught in the streets. I can't take it or make it on my heart. It gets weak from simple pain that's included with my crooked lifestyle. Thinking if I wait a while, I can break down the smile. But it ain't coming, I don't think, and there's no time soon. I keep my mug and my gun.
What's up, guys? This is Mark from GotMomoStocks.com, and I'm going to be going over a video chart real quick just for the 10th of February 2012. So as you can see, we've got a nice upward trend here. Opened at 26 cents, had a high of 28 cents, and then a low of 24 cents, and coincidentally also closed at 24 cents. Decent volume, comparatively speaking, over the entire week. Closed only about 2% up, but we were at one point up about 20%. So we can see that there's an increase in demand, and this stock is becoming very, very well known throughout the boards, and people are talking about it. So some things that I kind of want to talk about are the indicators real quick. If we look at the RSI, it's pretty flat, but it's in a good medium spot. So there's a lot of room to grow, and has a lot of breathing room, right? So as you can see before, we've got oversold territory, and it kind of pulled back. We're nowhere near that area, and we see that there's going to be a little bit of resistance here at 32 cents, but once it passes, it's blue sky territory. So again, that's kind of indicated by the Bollinger Band, the upper Bollinger Band. We've got nice support here at the pivot point of about 17 cents, and it's following the moving day average here as well, it looks beautiful. Further down, we've got the MACD line. This is a beautiful setup. We can see that the black line is about to cross upward, right, northward towards the or past the red line, and this is an excellent bullish sign. It's as soon as it crosses, it's going to be a hard buy sign. Again, we've got the Williams %R, and we're in the middle point territory, and again, there's a lot of room to grow here. Breathing room, etc. We're expecting this to push up to 50 cents this week. And then the full stochastics. This also has a great looking indication right now. And the reason why is because it's already crossed above, and it's come from oversold territory to about midway point. And until we get to 80 or above, looks like 94 territory is where it starts to top out, and we'll start to pull back a little bit and gain a little bit more support. But we're in prime territory here, as you can see, and blue sky territories is this coming week. Just want to go over quickly about why we still believe and continue to believe that EKNL is an excellent stock pick. We have a target price of $1. There is an acquisition that's around the corner, so OEBIN, right? And there's only 153,000 shares of EKNL total in the DTC, and over now 3 million shares have traded. Now, what is that? Why is that significant? Because there's only 153,000 shares that are tradable in the system. There's no dilution. It's a reverse play, a reverse merger play, just like drop. Anyone requesting an EKNL stock certificate from the DTC will have a failure to deliver, causing the stock to be sold at a premium, forcing the price upwards of $1. Basically, we're going to see this. We've had several members tell us, and they've already requested their stock certificates. They have had failures to deliver. We're just waiting for them to make it public. Insiders are holding their shares with a firm grip. We can see this is evident. If, like I said before in the previous videos, that if they were selling, this the stock price would be down substantially. It'd be in the sub-zeros right now, but right now it's holding above the alert. It has a very, very tight float, and like I said before, it's sustaining gains over 200% since the initial alert of 7 cents, which is pretty significant. Quickly, the short sale delivery requirements. If a participant of a registered clearing agency has a failure to deliver position at a registered clearing agency in a non-reporting threshold security for 13 consecutive settlement days, the participant shall immediately thereafter close out the failure to deliver position by purchasing securities of like kind and quantity. So why is this significant? This is the beginning of the short squeeze. The short sellers must purchase the stock they sold illegally, and they have to buy it and purchase it on the ask. So this is going to push the stock price higher, and like I said, over 3 million shares traded. That's a lot of shares to cover, which we could see dollar land easy. Something else that is very important is the press release that was released on January 20th. And I've highlighted here the most significant part. It basically talks about how the acquisition, the company, their target company, is bringing in revenue already. And we've already calculated about $1 per share for EKNL. Now, what I would like to focus on is the company expects to close this acquisition within the next 30 days, subject to all parties reaching a final agreement. This is very important because we're coming up on that 30 days, and we're expecting news coming this next week. And once news hits, it's sky's the limits. We're going to clear that 30-cent resistance, and we're gonna hit 50 cents easy. It's very, very important that the shorts know that this squeeze is coming. They're going to be forced into submission, and it's going to be game over. And then from that point on, from 50 cents or so, we'll see some bigger investors come in and take the stock even higher. But this is one of the best times to get in, just before news drops. We're expecting it because of that time frame, and it's an excellent stock to get involved in right now. So, GotMomoStocks.com. We have Facebook. You can find us on Twitter, YouTube, of course, and our RSS feed. If you'd like to find out more about EKNL, Echo International, you can view our due diligence video from January 28th, and it goes through basically everything about why we believe that it's going to be an excellent stock pick, and it's a long-term stock. And so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and look forward to seeing you guys invest in EKNL. Again, this is Mark from GotMomoStocks.com.
Tornado winds got me caught in the streets. I can't take it or make it on my heart. It gets weak from simple pain that's included with my crooked lifestyle. Thinking if I wait a while, I can break down the smile, but it ain't.